Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I wanted to show you how to make money using these platforms. So these are airdrop platforms. So I shared it with you in my last videos. You can see their app. So guys, here let me show you. Let me screen record on my phone so that I show you how to earn coins here expecting the airdrop. So you guys, you can see on my screen, these are the airdrops. We have the Eat Airdrop and also have the Clicks. So I'm going to show you how to make money here. So the money which you are going to earn is not immediately credited, but it takes time to show up. It takes time to list the airdrop. So let me first start with the Eat Airdrop. I'm going to show you how to make money with this. So the link will be down in the description of this video. So once you click in it, you'll come to this boot. So I have to click open. So I'm going to show you all the tactics which I use to earn more coins here. So you can see that on my balance I have the WEAT coins, and here I have the EAT tokens. So in this game I earn these WEAT tokens, and here the EAT tokens I'll earn them on the day of the listing. Now this is how you earn. Here you can mine free money by just claiming, then it mines itself. So to increase this passively, you have to watch an ad. Just boost it for 20 minutes. Just come and click boost. So they show you an advertisement. They'll show you an advertisement. So once the advertisement is done, here you'll be earning the 20 increased percentage. You can see here. So once they show you the ad, it means that you're going to increase in 20 minutes. So that is how you increase your earnings daily. So here you can also upgrade your level. Once you upgrade your level, you can start earning bigger money per hour. So that is how you earn on this section. So another section of earning these WEAT tokens is by just coming to the play game section. You can see the play game section here. So you can see people are playing the game, people are playing to higher levels. So to play the game, it is just easy. You have to watch an ad. Just click in watch an ad here. So once you watch an ad, then you'll be able to play this game, and this is an easy game. I'm going to show you how to play it in a few seconds. So they are showing me an ad. You have to wait until the ad is completed. So here, this is how you play the game. Here, this is the command you just press on the screen. That is how you play it. You just run to the highest levels. So you can see that I'm jumping as well as I'm earning the coins. You have to tap the screen. So that's how you play this game. So I'm going to fall. So I have earned 0.002 EAT token, and these tokens will be increased. So I'm going to show you another way is to invite friends here. Every day they increase on the percentage of inviting friends. So invite friend and earn 100% of what they earn. So another way to earn is by coming to tasks. Here in tasks you can watch ads every 5 seconds and earn 50 EAT tokens. So just click in watch an ad, then you watch the ad to the end. You can watch this ad to the end for 5 seconds. Then you click X, you watch again like that until you earn up to the maximum. So every day you can be earning coins here by watching ads. So that is all you have to do. So you can see that here, once I watch an ad, then I earn these tokens from my balance. You can see my balance has increased, and I watch another ad in 5 seconds and I can watch it again. So another way to earn here is by completing some tasks, joining the channels. Once you complete them, then you earn coins to your balance. So that's how you make money here. So on the listing, the wallet shall be activated and you'll be able to swap this EAT token into the real EAT. You'll be able to swap these WEAT tokens to real EAT token, and they'll be listed on the Tron blockchain. So you can join their channel here by just clicking here in their community, so that you can be informed about anything that is done, or you can know the listing dates. So that's how you know about this platform. So another platform which I wanted to show you, I'm going to show it to you in just 2 minutes. So here it is called the Clicks. For it is also similar, but it is simple to use. So you can see that I've been inviting friends and they are making me good money. So here to earn, just click open, and also the link will be down in the description of this video. So just click in open. So once you open, it is going to load. So here I also have to watch ads, and here they just show you the rate of what your coins shall be on the listing. So 100 coins are equivalent to 100 coins are equivalent to $1. So you can see that I have over 131,000 coins, and they are equivalent to $131. So that is what I have earned so far by just clicking watching ad. So I just watch ads and then I earn 100 coins per ad. For example, I just click the play button. I watch a simple ad like this, as you're seeing live in this video. So once the ad is done, then I click X. So my coins are added to my balance. The ad is still continuing. You should have internet on your phone, just that my network is somehow slow, but it is working fine. So you can see that the ad is going to be completed. So the ad is completed and I have earned the money on my balance. That's how you earn these coins. So you can earn as much as you can. You can invite your fellow friends. You can see that people are earning real money here. So on the listing, we shall be able to convert our money into real UB coins. And here you can see that everything shall be available on the listing date. You can see after the airdrop ends, we shall know what we shall earn. We are still on season 1, so keep earning coins. And also you can invite friends as I showed you in that other thing. So you can see I have invited friends. Here also you earn 100% of what your friend earns. So you can complete tasks, you can find different tasks here. So you can complete any by just clicking in it and do what they say. So that is it, guys. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe, like, and hit